Hi students, let's talk about option number 2, the second group of books that you can shop to select a title for Ms. Doughty's U.S. History class. If you scroll down this page where you found the video, you'll see a collection called Mrs. Doughty's eBooks class sets. And if you choose a book from this set of books, you will need to watch this video about checking out items from class sets. You will first send me a Canvas inbox message with your name and the title of the book that you would like to check out from this group of books down here. I'll reply to you with the code that you need to activate your book in the Mac and Via backpack. Okay, so make sure you watch this tutorial. Once you've received that confirmation message from me that your book is available, and then you'll know how to check it out in your backpack. So with this collection, it's kind of like having a classroom library. That's why they're not in the library collection that we looked at earlier. These are just for Mrs. Doughty's students. No other students can use them. So I've linked each book title to the Goodreads information, a Goodreads website, so you have an opportunity to read a little bit more about that book. So just click on the title in the set and you can read just this very short paragraph that talks about, okay, what can you expect in that book? Is it fiction or is it nonfiction? And we have tons, most of these are nonfiction in this collection, but we've got books that cover military, Air Force, Theodore Roosevelt, this memoir, Well-Read Black Girl, women's issues like women's health, women's right to vote, women's suffrage. She Came to Slay, which is a biography of Harriet Tubman, biographies of other contemporary political figures, collective biographies about women. This book, The Promise of the Grand Canyon, which is about this American adventurer, Ordinary Hazards. We have another copy of that available through this collection, and that is the memoir by Nikki Grimes that is sweeping all of the awards lists this year. It is a novel in verse, which means it's written entirely in poetic form, so short poems throughout. It's very fast-paced. We've got biographies of female athletes, musicians, biblical figures, female biblical figures, again, women athletes and Olympians. A really exciting collection. And we also have, I love this book, Just Mercy by Brian Stevenson. It was just adapted into a film with Jamie Foxx. And we also have the YA edition. And both of those they're heart-wrenching stories and something that I think you guys would enjoy. So cruise that collection. And if you find something that you would like to borrow, you will need to follow those directions. Send me a Canvas inbox message, and I will reply to you with the code to check out that book. All right, guys, inbox me if you need any help, and I wish you happy reading. Take care.